Hi, this is how to use my dishwasher. It's right here. Just pull to open like this. Put inside plates and glasses. Then I use these detergent caps. Just put it down it below. They are right here. This one is somats. Then you have to. This is a on and off button. Put it on. As you can see, it's on, and now choose program. You have a list of programs. This is a manual right here. So let's see. This one is just rinsing. It lasts 9 minutes. And these ones like for the glasses, echo, plates and pans. And everything is here written in minutes, liters and energy. Put program whatever you want, and just you have to, because we didn't put liquid detergent, just leave this open because the doors won't close like that. So you have to open it and just press it to start. After washing you will hear a sound beep beep, and when you open it you will see these two lights on blinking, so that means that washing is over. Every of these programs except this first rinsing have the drying session. So after it's all over, just turn it off and that's it. Enjoy guys, bye.